Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you the Farfetch return process. So, what you need to do, guys, let me first start by explaining how to actually return, okay? So, you want to do is, if you already have an account, you want to go to the orders and return section. And if you place the order as a guest, you want to enter your guest order details at this link, okay? farfetch.com/check order. Then you basically want to find the order you want to return and just click a return item or return items if there's multiple items. And you will select each item and your reason for actually returning them. Now, if you want to actually return items, there's actually two ways. You can either book a free returns collection where you need to select your collection address, how many packages there are, you need to schedule a collection date, and a suitable return to your chosen Farfetch partner, boutique or career uh, drop off point. So while you're returning, guys, you want to make sure you place the item inside the Farfetch packaging, okay? You need to make sure if there's any brand boxes, include them. If there's any dust bags, any cases, include everything. And you want to attach your return label to the outside of the Farfetch packaging, okay? Don't put it inside, put it outside. And if you have actually received a return note with your order, you want to attach it to the outside as your package as well, and basically give the waybill document to the courier and make sure you make a note of the waybill number to actually track your item there. This is very important. Waybill numbers are very important to actually follow up. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. If you're still having trouble, guys, you can also comment down below and I'll still help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys next time.